Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher authentication error, step by step. First, click on the search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Then open it. When the window opens, look at the left side panel and click on Outbound Rules. Now move to the right side and click on New Rule. A setup window will appear. Here, select Program and then click Next. Now choose this program path and click on Browse. From here, go to Local Disk C, then open Program Files. Inside that folder, find and open Rockstar Games. Then go into Social Club. Now select Social Club and also find Social Club Helper and select it as well. Then click Next to continue. After that, click Open, then click Next again. Now you will see an option called Block the Connection. Select it and then keep clicking Next step by step without changing anything else. At the final step, give the rule a name like Rockstar or anything you like, and then click Finish. Once you've done that, open the Rockstar Games Launcher. It may open in offline mode at first, so don't worry. Just follow the prompts, switch it back online, restart the launcher, and you're done. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.